Think you've seen everything at UB? Think again. Today, I'll be taking you to some of the coolest labs and facilities here on campus. Our first stop is the Center for Research and Education in Special Environments. It's one of the only centers in the world that allows scientists to study how the human body responds to extreme conditions, from the desert to the Arctic. There's a lot of unique equipment to make this possible, including the hyper and hyperbaric chamber that can simulate up to a mile of ocean depth and nearly 23 miles into Earth's stratosphere. It's also home to one of the world's only annular pools for research to help study performance and safety in environments you can't exactly experience every day. Next, the Fabrication Workshop. Occupying 11,000 square feet, it's a full-scale makerspace for architecture students to create everything from small models to full-scale prototypes. It includes 3D printers, a water jet, and a CNC router for woodworking, which is one of our favorite machines to see in action. This is where ideas become real objects you can actually touch, and it's fun to watch designs take shape. Next, we're heading into the Transportation Research and Visualization Lab. This lab uses advanced simulation technology to study how people interact with transportation systems. With these immersive environments, researchers can analyze traffic flow, driver behavior, and roadway design before these changes are ever made on real roads. It's also just one of the spaces on campus that helps researchers test autonomous and connected vehicles, providing unique opportunities for them to study new and emerging technology right on campus. Now, we're at UB's Earthquake Simulation Lab in Ketter Hall. This lab simulates powerful forces on buildings and infrastructure to help researchers understand how to make them safer and more resilient. And it's not just for studying earthquakes. There's a variety of equipment, including one of the world's first AI-powered wind tunnels to better understand extreme wind conditions in a controlled environment. It's basically where you test the what-if scenarios before they happen in real life. For our final stop, we're at the Behling Human Simulation Center in the Jacobs School of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences. When it opened in 2011, it was the first of its kind in the nation to bring students together from across the full range of health sciences to practice working as a team, just like they will in real healthcare settings. Using high-fidelity mannequins and realistic simulation rooms, students train for different clinical scenarios and develop the skills and teamwork they'll need in real patient settings. These are just a few of the incredible spaces on UB's campus where innovation happens. And there's a lot more to see. From artificial intelligence to sustainability, there are discoveries being made like these every day. Which one is your favorite?